Have you ever sat at a beautiful set table and felt instantly special? That's the power of thoughtful tablescaping. A great tablescape elevates everyday dining and turns it into an experience. Whether it's a casual meal with family or a special dinner party, layering and intentional design create warmth, beauty, and flow. Now, let's talk about budget-friendly styling tips. Mix high and low. Invest in timeless pieces like linen napkins and pair them with affordable accents. So you can still use linen napkins even with your plasticware. These are like really nice plastic plates and utensils and cups that I found on Amazon. You can use linen napkins with those. Those fine. Okay. Then we go to your higher end, like outdoor dinnerware. You can use this indoor, outdoor, but these are also very pretty, and you can mix in your higher end, like flatware. Next, we have your basic stone dishes every day where you can mix these with higher end pieces as well. Like here. Ooh, excuse me. You can do that if you wish. Then we have our really high-end dinnerware. Like this is Wedgwood. This is the wedding china, right? And the flatware that goes with it. So don't be afraid to mix your high and your low-end pieces. They work perfectly every time. Remember, it's about what the guest feels. The guest is gonna feel special, right? The guest is gonna remember how you made them feel. They don't need to know that you're mixing high and low end. They're not gonna know. A great tablescape is more than just dishes. It's about creating ambiance, a blend of color, texture, and thoughtful details. You know, it makes a guest feel special, enhancing the meal and the overall experience. So they're gonna be like 4 key layers of a tablescape. We're talking about the base, which is the foundation, where we use a tablecloth or a runner or placemats. The middle layer, which is your functional pieces where you're gonna add your dinnerware, your flatware, your chargers, your napkins. And your top layer will be where you're gonna add things like candles, your florals, your personal touches. And the final layer is gonna be the scent and ambiance. Fragrance pairings to match the dining experience. And we're gonna talk about what fragrances go with what type of meal. Now, on this table, another tip, use natural elements like fresh florals, okay? Use herbs. Sometimes I have rosemary on my table, okay? I have used basil, fresh fruit. These things they add such a glamour. They're very basic and affordable, but they just add a special touch. Also, placemats. This is a natural fiber. This is abaca. It's like a banana plant derivative. These are absolutely beautiful on a table. It adds texture, it adds color. It just really, really pulls all the elements of this table together. Another natural element that I use are just fresh greenery that I found outside. Didn't buy it. I went outside and found a bush that I liked in my yard and removed the greenery and added to the table. Also, the table runner, I chose that besides a tablecloth and just ran it across the table, and it's neutral, and that is my foundation. I also love my bench, but my bench is very uncomfortable, so I made sure I added pillows to the bench that I spritz with the room spray that's complementary to the candle that's on the table. So when guests sit, they can sit very comfortably and they're enjoying the fragrance that we are creating in the room. Now, another element to this table, I use linen napkins, which I totally adore. This is one of my standard classic pieces. And look at the shell. The napkin ring is made out of a shell, mother of pearl shell. The dishes, I did not use my high-end china. I used the fancy outdoor ware china. And it works perfectly with my spring coastal theme that I'm going with. I did use my high-end flatware from my wedding china set. And I didn't use real glass. I'm using acrylic. And look at the pebble texture of the glass. It adds texture to the table. It adds intrigue. And to top it off, each guest has their own special place card with a special note from me, thanking them for being my guests. And I mentioned something very specific about each guest to make them feel special. Let's talk about the perfect scents for dining tables. Citrus and herbs like lemon, basil, and thyme, these are light and fresh, and it's perfect for brunch, summer, or spring tablescapes. I would probably use soft florals like your lavender and your jasmine, peony for like tea parties, baby showers, and probably formal dinners. If you're going for a warm and cozy vibe for your dining experience, use vanilla, your sandalwoods, and your amber. These are ideal. They're very inviting and comforting for fall and your Christmas holiday tablescapes. Now, it's very easy to layer your scents in tablescapes. Use a lightly scented candle first. I usually light my candle about 30 minutes before guests arrive. Make sure it's not overpowering. You want to add like fresh herbs, like rosemary or thyme to your centerpieces. Sometimes even oranges, dried oranges. I love that. Lemons, this time I use whole, but you can also slice your lemons, dry them out, and place them on the table as well. You can also take a linen room spray and spritz your table linens, your chairs, your dining chairs, and the pillows that you use. This brings in a welcoming feel to your guests. To note is that we have a signature scent at the table. I'm choosing this fragrance. It's called Luminosity by Pivotal Moments. This is a citrus-based candle. This is perfect for spring and summer, lunches, dinners, or brunches. It is vibrant, it sets a good mood for the guest, and it just smells great. And it also enhances the meal. In this case, the meal will be fish-based. So what we learned in week 3 is that tablescaping is an art that enhances everyday dining and special occasions. Having a layered tablescape adds warmth, depth, and elegance. Also adding scents, that plays a key role in creating an immersive dining experience. Scents play a key role in a dining experience, as making your experience more immersive and enjoyable. Mixing high-end with budget-friendly elements on your dining table really elevates the evening and makes it more luxurious, so don't be afraid to do that. So make sure you do week 3 challenge. I definitely want to see all the tablescapes you created. So take a picture, yes, take a video. I want you to post it in the Just Jeannie community so we can all see it, and also share it on social media. Make sure you tag me at Jeannie Jacobs and use the hashtag #ShineWithJeannie. Let me see your tablescapes.